Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my little winter wonderland. Everything is white in here now. Now, we've got to add some clear, so stay tuned for that, guys. Perfect. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, so it is the next day from the previous episode, which was on Friday. Now, everything has settled, so we need to clean the floor again. We're going to get the garage door open, we're going to wet it down, and we're going to wipe down everything with the tack cloth. So we get that layer of overspray off, and we're going to shoot it with clear. And that's all done. Just going to let it sit for a little while. And I want to get the car in today. So move these off to the side somewhere and get the car in. Maybe even get these parts back onto the car.
Perfect.
Alright, as you just saw, I wet the floor down. And also, I forgot, we've got black pearl over here. So, going to be shooting some clear onto that as well. And just see how that looks. And if I don't like it, I won't do black pearl on the wheels. I'll just do the jet black. Alright guys, so I'm just going to clean up over near the gun and clean the gun. I think I left thinners in it last night. That should be okay. And mix up some clear. I'll just get the tack cloth onto everything. Make sure there's no fluff. When spraying in here, it's actually attracting a lot of fluff, so I've been doing like a dust coat, and it's quite warm in here, so tack dries quite quick. So by the time I get back, I'm actually wiping the fluff off it and doing another coat, and it seems to be coming up quite good. So yeah, let's do it. So I've actually just gotten another tack cloth out. I didn't realise that you could use these quite a bit. I've only used one, and there's 5 in the pack, but okay, 4 sides should get me through everything here quite easily. So I'll wipe everything down, mix it up, and start shooting. And did any of you pick up on me spraying the mirror in reverse? It's the first time I've done a reverse clip.
Perfect.
Alrighty guys, the clear is done on these parts. It's quite windy outside. I'm going to duck out the door here and go see how the car's holding up. Alrighty guys, I brought black pearl out with me. Yeah, I don't like it. jet black with clear. I think that'll be good. Right, so yeah, windy at the moment. Main thing is there's no bird poo on it. We'll be getting a light sand. So just dust, dirt, probably from all this here. It's alright. Alrighty guys, so in this episode we will be putting all these back on because it will be coming out on Monday. I've got 3 days to do this and I'm pretty sure that's enough drying time. So once that's dry, probably actually already dry to the touch, but it'll be soft still. So what we need to do is actually start back onto the front bumper, where it's still at the stage of body filling. Alrighty, so we've got quite a bit of work to do here still. Smooth out the top here, smooth out here, here. We need to backfill some of this with filler, so to that height. And obviously sand that down. And head over here and get rid of these cracks. Over here as well, down here as well, and all the scrapes underneath too. Alrighty guys, it's about 7 o'clock on Friday night. I'm going to get the car in here because we're supposed to have storms coming. So what I might do is get the rear bumper on, get the side skirts on, and just put these off to the side. Let's get out there. I think we're supposed to have floods tomorrow, so yeah. Oh my god, the car just started by itself. I've been having to jump start it. It's weird, and it's been out here for like 3 days. So I got the side skirts on. I'm going to put the rear bumper on. And drive the car in. And probably just place these painted things in the boot. I forgot about all the wire hanging up, so I'm going to go take it all down. Last thing I want is to scratch it all. Alrighty guys, it's the next day and it's raining a lot. So stuffed up with the bumper. It's got 2 clips on there, so it's not sitting in properly. So I need to take the bumper off. I've only got these and the screws here on it, so it's easy. I'll just try to get the tab off and get it back on. Well, in the rush to get this rear bumper on, not only did I forget to take this clip off because there's already a clip on there, I forgot to even put the lights in for the license plate. So I just did that then. Let's get it back on. So once that's in, I'll also put the lights on too. There we go, we've got one light in. Come do the other one. Hello, fly. Alrighty guys, we've got both tail lights in. Looking good. I did drop one of the nuts though in here, so I think it's actually gone down because there's gaps and like down into where the spare wheel is. So I'm going to put these on. Let's go have a look. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so to put the mirrors on, you need to put this black strip on. Put the black strip on, you've got to put the window all the way down. So to do that, you've got to get in, turn it on, plug in the window winder, and wind it down. Alrighty guys, the windows are now down, and I'm starting to freak out a bit now because I've got to put that weather strip back on. I'm hoping I don't chip the paint. Sorry if you can't hear me because of the rain. Hey, I got it on pretty easy. I'm very happy with that. Just got to make sure that this end cap here is like all the way up, and just push it down, it clips in. It's a lot easier than getting it off. Go do the other side. Alright guys, this other side's on. It actually doesn't have a little end cap, so I just eyeballed it from the other side to see where it would go, and we're looking pretty good. It's time to get the mirrors back on. If you haven't noticed, I did change the mirrors a little bit, so instead of these being black, they're now white. So we'll screw them back on, pull the harness through, and we'll get it on. What are you doing, Az? What are you in the rain for? Okay. Alrighty guys, we have the mirror on. So we can start putting the door panel back on. So we'll start with this little triangle part here with the tweeter. And put the rest on. I think Az wants to help. So the last thing I'll probably do to the doors are the door handles. So I can still get in anyways, so it doesn't bother me. Alrighty, I just put these black strips back in. That is so much better. I'm so glad that I took them out to paint. I was starting to freak out because I didn't know which side is which, but they curve quite a bit. They curve out. So caps are on the end, because also this end gets covered by a piece of rubber. So I need to put that in next. Alrighty, so I've got the weather strip on the front now on the windscreen. So now I'm confident that the car can go outside when it needs to do the front bumper and the wheels. I need to go find this 8mm nut, so I'll put them in the car and I'll try to find it, and then we can button up the boot. Yeah, found it. It was down there. Let's get it back on. Is the rear end done? Just need a clip for here. So I still haven't bolted on the side skirts yet. Alrighty guys, so I've fully bolted on the side skirts. I did end up putting these ones in here. Do still need 2 screws, which I think I got off when I was doing the bumper. And the wheel liner, I painted it white, so when the wheels are off I'll get that out and I'll paint them black or scuff them back. Probably scuff them back because we'll just end up flaking paint everywhere. Yeah, and you get stuck into the front bumper, which is still over here and still with body filler on it. Guys, I was going to clean up the lights, which I'll do that tonight, so it'll be at the end of this episode. I'll clean them up and shoot them with some clear and just let them sit. Not too fast. Use clear overspray going on the car. But, yeah, once they're in, they're in. And then I can put the front bumper on and just keep working on the front bumper. Yeah. So I'm going to take Mrs. out tonight to see Hustlers. She wanted to see that, so it'll be the last time we go out to the movies for a long time with the baby on the way. It's actually due on Monday, so if you're watching this when it came out, it's due today. Keep you posted if you want to know. Well, I just had the camera on all night. I'm about to get the wheels off so I can get the front bumper on, and I'll chuck them off to the side. I can start working on them, fixing them up. I did work on the headlights and I stopped them up. I sprayed them too quick, too thick. They'll crack, so could wait for them to completely dry and I'll sand them back once again. But that's an easy fix. Get the wheels off and I'll get the front bumper over and see how we're looking. I still need to fix under the lip on the bumper though. Alrighty guys, still working on the front bumper. I was sanding down this edge and Marley walked past and yelled out to me and I ended up knocking it off. So I had to redo that. We are up on 4 jack stands. I'm getting the wheels off. Started sanding 2 down over there. Put some filler on this one. We'll get these off now and get them over there. Sand them down. Yeah. Alrighty guys, I think this is a pretty long video, so I'm going to end it here. Covered up the Skyline, ready to prime the front bumper. So I need to clean this up first. As you can tell, it's a bit dirty. And then we'll start priming it. Alright guys, if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you next episode. Bye.